Greetings, fellow alumni. This short tutorial will guide you on how to cast your vote in the upcoming by-elections. That is going to take place on 30th of May from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Please remember that voting will be conducted online through our MUBS Alumni Database System, and this is how you can successfully cast your vote by following the steps below. First of all, you need to access your browser. Any browser can be Safari or Chrome. After getting to your browser, you go ahead and type in database.mubsalumni.ac.ug, and then this nice looking page will load where you click on sign in, and then you provide your credentials. That is your username and password. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my email, and I'm going to type in my password as well. After I've confirmed that everything is okay, I go ahead and click on login. After logging in, it will take me to my member dashboard where the different cards that are telling me about different things concerning the MUBS Alumni Database. What we are interested in right now is to look for the area where we're going to be casting our vote. We have this particular card which has active elections where you can cast your vote. All when you open on the menu bar, you click on these 3-line dots just next to our MUBS logo, you will see a drop down where we have the vote now. You can access the ballot from there, or we can click on elections and then we select the live election. So we can click on vote now, or we click on elections and then live elections to see the details. So once you click on this, you will see this option. As long as the voting is open, it will show you a countdown timer of when the voting will close, and then you click on cast your vote. Once you click on cast your vote, it will take you to the page that requests access to the ballot, and here you are literally identifying confirming or verifying your identity. So you're going to request for an OTP, and once you click on send for an OTP is going to be sent, a 4-digit number is going to be sent on both your email and your phone number which you provided with us. So you check your email and the phone number for the text. I'm going to go ahead and look for that code. I can open my mail and you can see they have sent me an email here with my MUBS alumni OTP which I can use, which is 8895. I can choose to copy it, or I can just choose to go ahead and type it in. So my code to access is 8855. So once you have typed it in and it's correct, it's going to take you to the ballot where now you are going to be casting your vote. So the ballot will load. It will show you all the positions and the candidates. You may click on candidate's name or view manifesto if you want. If you wanted to see what this candidate is telling you, you can click on view manifesto, and then you have an opportunity to decide on who you want to vote for. In this case, you can choose any. Maybe I want to choose this one. I can choose that one depending on who you want to cast your vote for, and then from there you go ahead and click on submit my votes, and then once you click on submit my votes, a confirmation box will come asking you to confirm that you really want to submit that. If you're not sure, you can review again, look at whoever you want to vote, but please note that once you have submitted your ballot, you cannot change or have it reversed because that ballot will be submitted. So you click on submit, and upon submitting, you'll see that your votes have been casted successfully, and a message will appear on your screen confirming that. You'll also receive an email to that effect and an SMS confirming that you have successfully cast your vote, and your vote has been stored for that particular election. Please be reminded that you can only vote once. You can't vote more than one time, and this is a secret ballot, and there's no link between your identity and your vote, and not even anyone who has access to the system is able to see who you voted for. So your login credentials, remember, are personal and non-transferable, so do not share them with any other member. And if you have any difficulty in during the voting period, please feel free to reach out to our technical team and we'll be happy to support. Thank you so much, and we encourage every eligible alumnus to exercise their vote. See you on online on Saturday 30th from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.